All right, we're going to go ahead and talk about this one. This one's just talking about credit cards. I'm not going to read the whole thing. I'm going to highlight some of the important things. It's going to kind of seem wordy, though. So the minimum due, that's what we're talking about, depends on the total amount owed. So for this credit card, we have these rules. For the first bill, or for a bill, sorry, of less than $10, the entire amount is due. Okay, so that's pretty important. For a bill at least $10 but less than $500, the minimum due is $10. And then a minimum of $30 is due if it's at least $500 but less than $1,000. And then we'll go to the next one. So, there it is, $50. The minimum of $50 is due if you have at least $1,000 and less than $1,500. And then last but not least, you've got your minimum amount due for $70 if it's $1,500 or more. Okay, seems really, really complicated. We're going to come up with a function f. I'm going to go ahead and this time just get it all ready. Let's just write out our intervals. So our intervals, there should be, based on each color, different intervals. So the first interval is anything less than $10. And you can't have a negative bill. Now notice it says less than $10. So I'm not including 10, so we'll just say from 0 to 10. And then our next interval is from 10, but this time we're including 10, so 10 inclusive is less than or equal to x, which is less than 500. And then our next one would be from 500 to 1,000. This time we'll include 500, but not 1,000. Next one would be 1,000 to 1,500. And then our last one is anything greater than or equal to 1,500. Now, the equations this might seem really complicated, but you're going to notice they're actually really easy. So if you have a bill less than $10, your entire amount is due. So X amount of dollars is due. If it's $10, if it's between $10 and $500, then you have to pay $10. Easy as that. For 30, it's $30 for the next one, between 500 and 1,000. For it's $50 if you're between 1,000 and 1,500. And then for the last one, you pay $70. Just like that.